Our fool friends has been busy almost a lifetime trying to build, create, loving, hating, fighting and compromising and failing and succeeding, and after so much of activity, he has this profound need to retreat, to introspect. So he builds a small rustic home and he rests there for days together, and in the night he takes a lantern and goes out. Every night. Our card of the Hermit connects to the nines of the minor arcana, because it is that stage where you return to yourself and you look at yourself with a lantern. You stop to think, you shine a light on all that you've done, and you try to see what have I accomplished and what is it that yet remains to be accomplished. We return to ourselves because only we can really teach ourselves the most. The card Hermit is about introspection, peace, solitude. It is that time for withdrawal and the desire to be alone. That time when we go into an inner search and we look for and try to receive inner guidance.